Good morning. My name is Dennis Lyons, Impatient Creations, and I want to present to you today a 1957 Cadillac Convertible. Now, this is not just a Cadillac Convertible. It is by the numbers. This owner wanted it. He had two other shops working on it when he brought it to us, and he says, I want to have a show car that will win and be competitive in the AACA class, which is a very competitive class. So we went about doing that, and he brought us a lot of parts. It was, like I said, it was disassembled. It came from several other shops, or a couple other shops. So we had to put all this stuff together, get it all to fit and like each other, and actually function. And some of the little things that have that they test you on at the contest is one of them. This one has an auto dimmer on it on the dash, where it senses that lights are coming. A car is coming, and it will automatically dim the lights, and when that car passes, it will come back up. Now, this is 1957. I know that a lot of us have those on our cars today, but in 1957, it was a big deal, and it was a very complex item that's on the dashboard. So that is just one of the systems that were on this car that had to work and was tested. They test the cars very intensely, because that's how they qualify to win events. And you'll notice on the grill there, it has already won an AACA senior event. And this last event, the only people that were invited to this contest was if you had won a first place in one of their shows. So, and it did very well. It created another award and another level of accomplishment with AACA. So. Hey, we're talking about the side of this 57 Cadillac Convertible. And I want you to notice how nice and slick and smooth that is. No obstructions, the body lines are perfect, but there's something missing. Can you figure out what it is? It's the door mirror. Why wouldn't you have a door mirror on the passenger side? Now, for you younger generation, when you look in the passenger side mirror, what are you looking for? You're looking for a car over there in that lane. Well, in the 50s, we didn't have that lane. Hey, we talked a minute ago about a mirror, and this is the mirror on the side of the door. We call it a door mirror for obvious reasons. But on some cars, they only came on one side, and that was, of course, on the driver's door. One other little tidbit about, it doesn't apply to this car necessarily, but we have cars that my grandkids got into and pointed to the handle that rolled up the window and asked, what is that? As we go through the pictures, you'll see a lot of what we're doing and a lot more detail on it. But I take great pride and joy in presenting to you a 1957 Cadillac Convertible.